How to fix controller cursor on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your concerns regarding fixing the controller cursor on Roblox and its feasibility. Currently, while playing Roblox on PC, you can observe that the cursor is always moving around freely, allowing to interact with various elements such as menus and camera controls. However, connecting a controller to a PC results in the cursor disappearing as soon as any controller input is detected. Despite exploring many settings, there seems to be no specific option related to controllers. Only general UI navigation options are available. Notably, attempting to move the cursor back to the specific location after using the controller proves challenging, as the cursor reappears at its original position. Regrettably, as of today, altering this behavior seems unattainable. Roblox system interprets controller inputs as exclusive gameplay, hence disabling the cursor functionality. To navigate menus, resorting to mouse or keyboard inputs, one can utilize the controller's select button to navigate through available options using a select rectangle. Ultimately, it appears that modifying this behavior is currently beyond reach. This video aims to inform viewers about the constraints of using a cursor alongside a controller in Roblox. If this content has addressed your queries, please consider liking and subscribing for helpful tips. Thank you for watching.